In this quick video, I'll show you how to stake EnergyWeb token or EW token step by step. So the first step is to go to energyweb.org/staking, then scroll down and you will see here the green proof staking, click stake, and then you will then need to add a EnergyWeb chain in your MetaMask wallet. So if you don't have an EnergyWeb chain yet, you can click import configurations here, then click switch network, click here, and if you are a first timer, you will gonna need to verify your email first. Then once you have been approved, you can just click add role here. But as you can see, I don't have enough EW token or Energy Web token in my MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. But if you have a Energy Web token in your MetaMask wallet, you can just click confirm here. And then you can now stake your EW token. So if you want, you can type down the amount of EW token here, and note that the maximum amount per user is 3,000 Energy Web token. So once you have typed on the amount of EW token or Energy Web token you want to stake, click stake here, and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up, and you will then need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough Energy Web token in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. And here are the staking pool activation date and the staking pool expiration date. So if you want to unstake your Energy Web token, you can click unstake here, just pay for the gas fee, and wait for the transaction to be completed. And you can see here the currently staking if you are staking your Energy Web token, and here are the earn reward. So we have here the terms of participation. So the stake Energy Web token can be withdrawn at any time. Hourly rewards will be compounded, added to the total stake and earn interest, and a small gas fee will be charged for stake and unstake operations. And if you have any questions about how to stake Energy Web token, leave a comment below.